Hey guys, so today we're going to be adding a new drive to a Synology 423 NAS. It should be pretty straightforward and easy to understand. I currently have two 8 TB WD Reds in my NAS, and I'll be adding a third. Same 8 TB capacity WD Red model into my 423 plus NAS. So let's jump in and take a look at removing the drive bay. So if you just make sure you power it off first, and before you do all this, just remove your drive bay, nice and easy, and then install your new hard drive into the caddy. So get that disk out and make sure you take the sides off this caddy because you won't be able to get it in otherwise. So just take them off, the clip off, dead easy. Grab your disk and pop it in just at the top here. Make sure you put it in the right way round. Note the orientation here. Nice and secure. And then what we want to do here is just note the lugs here, those little holes. That's where these little tabs are going to go into. This just holds it secure so it doesn't move. So just pop the front of it in first at an angle, and then the back like so, and do the second one also. So that's super easy. Make sure that it is all the way in, so it is secure, and the pins line up in the back of the NAS when you put it in a second. And then just go back to your NAS itself, insert the caddy in. As you can see, it's bay 3 for me. Just line it up, super easy. Push down, you should hear a little click, then power the NAS on. Wait for a couple of minutes, and then once it's powered on, you want to go into DSM. So open up DSM, and then you're going to be going into Storage Manager. Nice and easy. You're probably familiar with Storage Manager. Just to get there, you just go to the All Apps at the top left and then hit Storage Manager. This will load your main overview of your storage. You want to go into your storage pool. I only have the one. You can see 3 drives because I've already added it myself before I recorded this video, unfortunately. But if you click on the 3 dots at the top right on yours, you'll get these settings, but you'll also have Add Drive. Once you hit Add Drive, then you're going to be able to just run through the little wizard. Super easy. It just says what pool do you want to add it to, and pretty much click on OK. So it's nice and easy. And then at that point, you're going to see the time pop up. So it'll look like this. So just here, storage pool 1. Adding drives took me 2 days and 9 hours. Yes, it takes a long time. Nothing you can do about that. It is what it is, especially going from 2 disc to 3 disc, because I'm using SHR, and unfortunately when you're using SHR and you got 2 discs, adding a third, it changes the whole way the RAID works. So I'm not going to get into all the RAID levels and how all that works in this video, but it can take a long time. If you want to speed this up, there is an option which I'll show you here. So if you go back to DSM and then Storage Manager, let that load, and then within your storage pool, so just click on that on the left hand side. So I just hit Storage Pool 1 and then Global Settings. Then you can just scroll down and you'll see RAID Resync Speed Limits. You want to hit Run RAID Resync Faster, and this will shave off a few hours. It doesn't work miracles, okay? It really doesn't, but it may save you like 6 hours or something like that. It's still going to take a long time. So if you've got loads of containers running in Docker, or you've got loads of users accessing the NAS, you probably don't want to use that because it will use more system resources. Now, another thing to note is when you add this drive, as the drive is doing a resync, it's going to make a lot of noise. Now, I noticed that I did it midweek and I work in my office for my day job, and it was really loud. So you want to kind of do it at a time when you're not going to be sat in the same room, maybe over the weekend or something like that. Start it late at night so it's running whilst you're sleeping, something to take note of. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Just to summarize, I guess, is that it does take a long time. So when you see, 3 days or 2 days, 4 days, or however long it's saying it's going to take, don't worry about it. RAID resync does help. RAID resync, that option that I just showed you before, it does use more system resources, but it can help if you really need that storage now. The other things to bear in mind, I would say, are just pretty much just across all of the Synology line. If you've got a 923 or a 2-bay NAS, it's going to be a similar kind of method. DSM's the same. Putting a drive in a caddy is the same. So don't worry. What you've seen will pretty much work for you. 2-bay NAS is not had a 2-bay NAS myself, but I assume it would probably be very similar to this. It may also have storage pool on a 2-bay as well. So you just need to make sure you just select that correct storage pool. Now, that's pretty much it. There's not much to it. Enjoy your new storage. Any questions? Leave me a comment. See ya.